Welcome back to Royal Bike, the channel where we explore iconic machines, legendary rides, and the stories behind them. Today, we're diving into a true classic that continues to rule hearts even decades later, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep. Known for its raw character, unbeatable durability, and off-road heritage, the CJ3B is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of adventure and freedom. Let's explore what makes this legendary Jeep so special in 2026. A glimpse into CJ3B heritage. The Mahindra CJ3B Jeep has a rich history rooted in rugged terrains and military-inspired design. Originally built for extreme conditions, the CJ3B earned its reputation through simplicity and strength. In 2026, Mahindra keeps that legacy alive by preserving the iconic boxy shape, flat fenders, round headlights, and classic grille. This Jeep remains a favorite among collectors, restorers, and hardcore off-road enthusiasts who value authenticity over modern gimmicks. Engine and performance in 2026. Under the hood, the 2026 Mahindra CJ3B continues to focus on reliability and torque rather than speed. Powered by a refined diesel engine, this Jeep delivers excellent low-end torque, making it perfect for off-road trails, farming use, and rural adventures. The 4x4 drivetrain, manual transmission, and high ground clearance ensure that the CJ3B can tackle mud, rocks, and steep climbs with ease, staying true to its legendary off-road DNA. Interior and driving experience. Inside, the CJ3B remains minimalistic and functional. The cabin is designed for durability, with basic instrumentation and sturdy seating. In 2026, subtle upgrades like improved suspension, better braking, and enhanced steering response make the driving experience more comfortable while still retaining the raw, mechanical feel that enthusiasts love. Why the CJ3B still matters today. The 2026 Mahindra CJ3B Jeep stands as a reminder of pure driving joy. It's not about luxury, it's about connection, control, and character. For those who love